Today I'm excited to show you this ultimate pet grooming kit. This kit is packed with features and many different accessories. Let's take a look and see what you get. Comes with this very big and nice, easy to read quick start guide. Comes with a user's manual, an anti-scalding pad, very nice. Comes with a carrying bag. This is very nice quality. It's Felice. Comes with 3 different nozzles. Comes with electric clippers and 5 different guards. Comes with a hose. The grooming brush. The shedding tool. And the unit itself. Let's take a closer look. I really love this unit. It is very well made. My favorite feature is how portable it is. All the accessories fit right here in the bag. And also this got a nice carrying handle. I can just pick it up and go on the go. And the power supply is hidden underneath. Let's go see this in action.